A few weeks ago, I published a video introducing you to Lovart, the world's first AI design agent. The response was incredible, and many of you asked for a deeper, more hands-on tutorial. Well, today is the perfect day for that, because Lovart is officially launching out of beta. So I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to create professional design campaigns using Lovart's advanced capabilities. We are going to build 3 different projects from scratch: a high fashion photography campaign, a luxury skincare brand launch, and a Pixar-style animated video. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Lovart's full chain auto design capabilities to deliver up to 40 professional assets in a single workflow. If you haven't watched my previous video about Lowart, here's the key thing to understand. Lowart is like having a seasoned creative director on your team who never sleeps, never has creative blocks, and can execute entire design campaigns while you focus on the big picture strategy. Now let me show you how it works in action. Let's start with our fashion photography project. I'm going to show you how to create magazine quality fashion photography that would typically require a full production team. First, I'm opening Lowart and creating a new project. The infinite canvas loads and I can immediately start working. Notice how clean and simple this interface is. Everything we need is right here. We have the toolbar that includes all the tools we need for creating and customizing our assets. And here on the right is where we can chat with Lovart and describe exactly what we are looking for. Now I'm going to create a fashion photography campaign with a really unique twist. I want high-end fashion photography with models floating in mid-air. Think gravity-defying editorial shots where the models and their accessories are suspended beautifully. I'm combining this with a Baroque Renaissance-inspired look for that dramatic classical art feeling. I'm also attaching 2 reference images and asking Lowart to create the images based on these references. Watch how it's understanding this complex creative brief. First, it's analyzing the reference images I provided. Once it figures out the style I'm looking for, it starts creating a plan, just like a seasoned designer would. After deciding on the design direction, it will start generating the images. Wow! These look incredible. Look at what it delivered. We have a series of high fashion photographs that genuinely look like they belong in Vogue, but with this incredible surreal twist. The models are floating elegantly in mid-air, their gowns flowing naturally as if cut in an invisible breeze. What's really striking is how the floating accessories create this dreamlike magical atmosphere. But here is where Lovart really shows its power. Let me ask for complete deliverables for this direction. Create editorial magazine spreads, social media content, brand identity materials, and packaging designs, all using this Baroque floating aesthetic. Look at this. We now have full magazine layouts, Instagram posts that maintain the same artistic vision, luxury brand elements, and even packaging concepts that carry the floating theme. This is a complete creative direction with everything a brand would need. Now let's try a completely different approach with the same floating concept. I'm asking for create the same floating fashion photography, but with a minimalist, clean aesthetic. White backgrounds, subtle lighting, modern typography, and contemporary styling. Amazing! Same floating concept, but look how different this feels. The minimalist approach creates an entirely different mood while keeping that gravity-defying element. And again, let me request the full deliverable package. Generate editorial spreads, social media content, brand materials, and packaging for this minimalist floating direction. Perfect. We now have a second complete creative direction. Now let's also create a visual brand identity that includes a color palette and typography system. There it is. Now you might ask, Arash, this image looks good, but it's not editable. How can I use this text somewhere else? Well, let me show you something interesting that sets apart Lowart from other similar tools. Here I'm going to select the object selection tool, highlight this text, and hit extract. After a few seconds, this title will be extracted, meaning it will be a separate layer in our layers list, and we can move it around, upscale it, or even modify it using another prompt. That's awesome, isn't it? Now let me show you another fine-tuning tool. I'm going to use the remover tool and select this scarf. Now I can hit remove and it will be gone. Easy, right? Now let's say you want to expand this image. You can easily achieve that using the outpaint option. You can specify your desired aspect ratio and dimensions and hit this button. Amazing, that looks really good. Now let's create a complete luxury skincare brand that showcases Lowart's ability to maintain brand consistency across multiple touchpoints while creating premium visual content. I'm using this approach. I want to create a complete luxury skincare brand called Stellaris, inspired by stars and space. I'm asking for product photos with dreamy lighting and galaxy textures, clean packaging with shimmery details and star patterns, lifestyle photos with calm models showing glowing skin in space-like backgrounds. It should include brand identity elements, color palettes using deep space blues and pearl whites, and marketing materials that emphasize transformation and beauty. Look how it's building a complete brand visual identity. Here we've got the logo, the brand color palette, and typography styles. Right here, we have these beautiful packaging shots along with marketing materials. We have several landing page designs, social media posts, a flyer, and a bag design as well. Good start, but let me refine this further. The models need to look more natural and less AI generated. Let me regenerate with more specific direction. Create 6 refined beauty shots with professional models showing natural glowing skin. The lighting should be studio quality and the models should look completely realistic. Also generate multi-angle product displays and posters that meet Instagram aesthetic standards. Much better. Look at these model shots now. They are indistinguishable from professional beauty photography. The skin looks natural, the lighting is perfect, and these could easily be used in actual marketing campaigns. We have product shots from multiple angles, overhead flat lays, lifestyle context, detail shots showing texture and quality. The posters are Instagram ready with proper composition and trending aesthetic elements. What's impressive is how everything works together perfectly. The space theme flows through every piece, from the dreamy product photography to the star patterns in the packaging design. This level of brand development would typically require a luxury branding agency and months of work between designers, photographers, and brand experts. Lowart just delivered it all in one workflow. For our final tutorial, let's create a Pixar-style animated character that showcases Lowart's ability to generate character-driven content with that signature animation studio quality. For this project, I'm creating a character for a children's educational app. Let me explain what I'm looking for. I want a lovable Pixar-style character. This character should feel like they belong in a Pixar movie, with expressive features, appealing design, and that special personality that makes you instantly connect with them. Look at this. We've got a character that genuinely feels like it could be in a Pixar film. Notice the expressive eyes. They are oversized and full of personality, just like classic Pixar design. The proportions follow that signature animation style where the head is slightly larger, making the character instantly appealing and friendly. But here is what's really impressive. It's not just copying existing Pixar characters. This feels original while still capturing that unmistakable Pixar charm. The color palette is warm and inviting, the design is simple enough to animate well, but detailed enough to feel fully realized. We also got character variations showing different expressions and poses. Happy, curious, surprised, thoughtful. Each expression feels authentic and shows real personality. This is character development that animation studios spend weeks perfecting. We've also got an interactive 3D model of our character. That's so cool. You can rotate it and see it from different angles. But now let's develop this further. Create storyboards showing this character in different educational scenarios, discovering new things, helping other characters learn, showing curiosity and excitement. Excellent. These storyboards show our characters' personality in action. We can see how they behave in different situations, their expressions, their interactions with the world. Now let's generate animated sequences of this character with background music scoring. Show the character moving naturally, expressing emotions, and demonstrating that signature Pixar animation quality. Let's check it out.
Welcome to our forest classroom. We can do this together. Look at all the amazing creatures. Let's get your home back. Learning is fun with friends.
Incredible. Look at this fluid animation. The character moves naturally, The facial expressions are full of life, and the background music perfectly matches the mood. This is broadcast quality animation. Did you notice the clean and professional voiceover as well? That's another feature of Lovart. It can generate studio quality voiceovers for any use case. But let's take this to the commercial level. Let's design merchandise for this character. Collectible figures, toys, packaging designs, and promotional materials. Amazing! We now have complete product lines with detailed packaging, toys, collectible, and even marketing materials. Now let me share 3 key tips for getting the most out of Lowart for premium creative work. First, use detailed descriptions in your prompts. Instead of luxury skincare, say luxury skincare with space themes, studio lighting, and clean packaging with shimmery accents. Second, use the canvas for visual coordination. Place mood boards, color palettes, and style references directly on the canvas so you can add them to the chat quickly, and Lowart can maintain consistency across all generated assets. Third, request multiple format exports from the beginning. Ask for print-ready, web-optimized, and social media versions in your initial prompt to save time on reformatting. These 3 projects showcase what makes Lovart revolutionary for creative professionals. From high fashion photography to luxury branding to animated characters, you can produce agency quality work that would typically require entire teams and massive budgets. And the timing couldn't be better. Lovart is officially out of beta and available today. After seeing the incredible work from beta users, they are now ready for everyone to experience these capabilities. You can get started with Lovart today by checking out lowart.ai. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more creative workflows. I'll see you in the next one.